Hi Charbax. So my name is Samuel. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Avantama. We're based in Switzerland and we are the world's leading company in perovskite quantum dots.
Here at the Display Week 2024, the opening keynote was the inventor of the quantum dot stuff, right? It's such an important invention for the world, right?
Very
and you're doing the best version?
Yeah, the best version. That means the highest efficiency, the cleanest colors, and this is the result of it. So this is our latest demonstrator. Is a mini LED backlit monitor based on our conversion film based on perovskite QDs and KSF red phosphors. So here we get the best colors out of it, and what is also important is this monitor consumes 25% less energy than a comparable version with a different conversion film. This means if we take one car battery and we take out the lead, we use only 100% fully recycled lead. We can actually, in the use 3,000 metric tons of CO2 less energy. So I think this is really, really important, and the industry is moving towards energy efficient monitors.
How's the quality of the image compared to the one that uses more power?
It's the best possible quality you can get with an LCD screen. It's the highest efficiency and over 90% BT 2020 color gamut coverage.
Are you the only ones who add perovskite to the quantum dot stuff?
I think for LCD applications we are the only ones now. I think a lot of people tried, but they couldn't make the perovskite quantum dot stable enough, and we're the only ones who managed to do this.
How do you make them stable enough?
Well, it's a lot of surface science and also organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. So the way we synthesize the perovskite quantum dots is really important. The way we protect the shell of the perovskite quantum dots and what is surrounding. So the formulations basically and the material that we use.
So did you see the keynote this morning?
Our CTO saw the keynote. Yeah. Very, very nice celebration of quantum dots technology.
These guys who invented the quantum dots, they know about your company?
They do, yeah.
What do they think?
They think perovskite quantum dots are really, really promising, especially with regards to energy consumption of the whole displays in use. As I said, 25% less energy consumption, I think in the future is more and more important.
How does it compare with OLED energy consumption?
It should be better depending on the application, but it really depends. So OLED also, they have made tremendous progress in the past few years, but we believe that we can be more energy
they also use the quantum dots for the OLED, right?
They do. Samsung uses quantum dots for the OLED, and the picture quality is excellent. It could be even better with perovskite quantum dots.
So you could work with the OLED guys?
Yes.
Not yet?
We do.
Oh, you do?
We do, yeah.
You have projects going on?
We do, yeah.
All right. And how about micro displays?
Micro displays, also very hot topic, especially for the future. So for micro displays, we develop our formulations in a different way so that they can be deposited in pixel with different methods.
So there's a display right there?
Yeah, it's right there, and you can see it on the screen. So these pixels are deposited by a process called electrohydrodynamic printing, EHD printing. It allows very high resolution to the micrometer level, and now our partner companies are working on making this commercially viable, so fast enough for commercial application.
Do you do all the manufacturing in Switzerland?
We do. We want to protect our core IP, which is really important. We have the largest patent portfolio in the world for perovskite PVs, or perovskite quantum dots, and we want to protect that core know-how to have it in Switzerland.
And how about, even though it's made in Switzerland, maybe if it's automated like Swatch and everything is done by robots, it doesn't have to be so expensive, right?
It's correct. So in any case, our production is fully scaled up in Switzerland, and it's very much automated, so we don't need too many people or workforce to produce these materials. So that's actually fine, but I think the more mature the technology will get, the more likely we will move to Asia for certain steps of the production.
Because you have to work very closely with the guys in Asia, right?
Exactly.
For everything.
Exactly. The whole display supply chain basically happens in China. Taiwan, Japan, and Korea, and that's where we need to be.
And here we see a display. I see some green.
Yeah, this is inkjet printed, so less resolution. So this is probably pixel size, maybe 10, 20 micrometers. And this is for the application of QD OLED, for example. That's where we need this pixel size. And we are experts in developing inkjet printing inks. And these are very much suitable for the QD OLED application.
How about the team in Switzerland? Who's in your team?
Yeah, so we have a lot of very skilled people. Currently around 30 employees, mainly from Europe, but also from North America, from the best universities and the best education in general. So really glad to have that team behind it, and they're responsible basically for all the progress we've made in the past years.
R&D, like future ideas, future development and stuff like that, right?
Yeah, future developments and current developments also. So about 75% of our workforce is working in R&D, the rest is in production and sales. And yeah, we are making really good progress. So hopefully we'll be on the market very soon.
How far in front is a leader of the quantum dot market? And how far how far behind are you maybe in terms of market share and stuff like that?
Yeah, so I mean, we don't have any commercial products on the market yet, so we are still behind, but I think we're catching up. But the leaders in the field have done a really good job to really enable applications of quantum dots in the display field. So we're happy they made the first steps.
Because if you are in the right product, it could be millions very quickly of devices, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. The display industry is huge. I mean, only LCD industry, over 300 million square meters per year. And we hope that we get a share of this in the future.